It's a bad man tonight. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, He's bad.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lee. So welcome back to another episode of Affordable Fridays. So Affordable Fridays is a series where I showcase wigs that are 25 and below. Because 2020, we gotta slay on a budget. Slay on a budget. Mm. Okay. Yeah, so the unit that I'm going to be showcasing is the Sensational Dashly Lace Unit 6. So this is what the model looks like on the start card. And I love that colors that she has on. Ooh, that's pretty. So the color that I'm wearing is the T2 copper, and this unit is heat safe up to 350 to 400 degrees, and it comes with baby hairs for those of you who love the baby hair. For me, I don't mess with the baby hair because not all unit needs a baby hair. And it comes with my favorite part. It's a center part, and I love a center part. And this is, I think this is like a four inch center part, I believe. I'm not sure, but in the card doesn't say so. But yeah, so this comes with your standard cap construction. Two combs on the front, one comb on the back, and your adjustable straps. Simple as that. And this unit is just one of those units where you can just put it on and go. And I love the copper on my skin too. It just looks nice. So I got this from Wig Types for, let me see, $23.94. You can get it on Wig Types for $23.94, and I'm pretty sure other sites have it cheaper. If you look, you just have to browse around and see. But I like that. I like that unit, like the way I have it, like in a ponytail, like slick back. It just makes it look cool. At least to me, it makes it look cool. So let me take it out. Let me take the little. Ooh. Stop. But let me stop. But this is it. I love, okay, I love the curl pattern, like, and I love the color. I love copper. Like, you can never go wrong with a copper wig. And as you can see, she tangles, and yeah, she tangles. Sucks. Sucks. I mean, with wigs like this, you cannot be mad at it for tangling. Well, you can be mad a little bit, but it still sucks that it tangles, and it's definitely shit. Like, ooh, that is not. Mm-mm. I mean, for the price, of course, you pay for, you get what you pay for. You know. Look at all of that. Like, no, not cool. But the color is nice. I love the color. This is just a simple wig. And it's pretty long. Like, it stops me right there. Oh, I want to cut it. I don't have my scissors on me, but I want to cut it so bad. But overall, like, it's not a bad unit. I'm going to do a 360 so you can see what she looks like. I'll be feeling myself, like, So this is for Dashly Lace Unit 6 in the color T2 Copper. And I got hair in my eye. And the color T2 Copper, you can never go wrong with a copper color. And fall is around the corner, so hey, let's get this party started. But this is really nice. I love it, even though it tangles in the shade. You just have to carry a paddle brusher with you wherever you go and just paddle it, just comb it so the tangles and stuff can go out. And as times go by, I will have to like cut it. But other than that, it's a decent unit, you know. Can't complain. So guys, this is it for this video. If you have reached this far, that means you like what you see. So welcome on and join the fun. And join the family and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be notified for whenever I post a video. And since you have reached this far, that means you like what you see. And to let me know that you watched the whole video, comment down hashtag fall. Yeah, comment down hashtag fall, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
It's a bad man.